Hi, I'm Nicci Dent and I'm the CEO at Heart Research Australia. We are currently halfway through our 5-year strategic plan, and we decided it was time to do a board staff workshop to just question things that have been happening, whether if there are any changes that needed to be made, and update the next version of the strategic plan. And I chose Trudy MacDonald as a facilitator because I've worked with her before, and I find her experience incredibly useful in terms of shaping an agenda and bringing people together so that they all have a voice and can wrap around the decisions that we make around it. Trudy worked with me early on, and we did some pre-work so that everybody came along prepared with the key issues that were at the centre of the strategy and ready to make decisions. And we were split up into different groups, and the use of technology really helped inform those decision making. It really helped with the minute taking afterwards. So it made it a very easy, organised process. And she really kept us to time and on track, putting up those key decisions that we needed to make early on. So I would highly recommend Trudy to anybody thinking about doing a similar strategic planning project. Her and her team are very organised and really high quality work and really excellent. So big thank you to Trudy and the team, and recommended to anybody doing something similar.